Hello friends, welcome to Super Tech Guru. Today I am going to unbox and review this wildlife 4K HD camera. But the purpose of this camera is when you go to hiking or you go to traveling or you go to camping, then you can use this camera. And I bought it from Amazon, and you can too buy it from Amazon for when you go to hiking, and overnight you can record your videos, clips while you are sleeping in your tent or camp. And what is inside the camera box, let's see. Link in the description, and you can shop now on Amazon. And what we get this wildlife camera, 4K HD camera, this. And what else we get, yeah, this is power cable. See, USB one side power cable. This is type C power cables, okay, USB and type C. And this is like jack to connect this, so you can carry this, right, like this. Here you can place. And see, here is the camera. And what is this? It is, here is camera, see. And here is night vision mode, like LEDs and night vision mode. When any animal or anything come in front of this camera and it start recording. And there is camera 4K HD, and no effect of any moisture because it's inside the case. From here you can open like this. This is clipper, like it is clipped here. This here open, okay. Now what's you see like this, okay. Here is a screen like menu on, see, on off. I show you nearby. On off menu here, see. And there is okay menu, play, rewind, everything. And here is a screen, LED screen, so you can, as you record, and you can play here and see what you recorded. And here is charging, and here is USB. Here is a memory card you can insert. See, here is memory card, okay. So you can buy and shop it from Amazon. This is with the casing, everything. And what else we get user manual. See, it is user manual on how to use, settings, about everything about this. What is it? 4K HD camera. See, 4K HD camera. And you can record your all night videos of your outside animal world using this camera. See, all this. And here is the menu. Oh, sorry, here is the like all menu screen. And we see, I show you again, okay. And just you close it, and then boom, it start. Just you can use this way, like place it anywhere on the tree, outside of the camp, any mountain, any stone, everywhere you can place. Thank you. Please share the video with thumbs up, and please like this, give me heart. Bye bye.